Are you ready to transform your diet and start eating clean? Look no further. In this 30-day clean eating meal plan guide, we'll show you how to revamp your eating habits and improve your overall health. Let's get started. Day 1. Kickstart your journey by eliminating processed foods. Say goodbye to that bag of chips and hello to fresh, whole foods. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables for a nutritious start. Days 2, 10. Focus on incorporating lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu into your meals. Pair them with whole grains such as quinoa or brown rice. And don't forget to include a variety of veggies. Days 11, 20. Keep up the momentum by experimenting with new flavors and spices. Explore different herbs and seasonings to enhance the taste of your meals without relying on unhealthy additives. Days 21, 30. As you approach the end of the 30-day challenge, celebrate your progress by indulging in healthy snacks. Opt for homemade granola bars or Greek yogurt with fresh berries, a treat that satisfies your sweet tooth without derailing your progress. Remember, it's not just about the food. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day and getting regular exercise. You'll notice a significant difference in your energy levels and overall well-being. Thanks for watching our Transform Your Diet in 30 Days Clean Eating Meal Plan Guide video. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and recipes to support your healthy lifestyle. Here's to clean eating and a vibrant